Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing for the GNC Pro Box. I've actually never gotten one of these before. I was signed up for it in a GNC store. I qualified for it for free up to that membership level or whatever. I really had stayed away from all those membership things that they offer there until they were like, well, you spend so much today. Because I was restocking on a lot of things, they were like, it's gonna be free. So I was like, well, okay, I'll take it for free. So I have not opened this. I did get it a few days ago. It looks like it got damaged in the mail and the post office probably taped it together. So, but yeah, I mean, it's a pretty decent box and it's a good size. So we're gonna see what's in here. Don't forget, if you like this video and you wanna see more of them, to please smash that like button and hit that bell. And of course to subscribe. Tama Flex fast acting proven joint support. The day after leg day doesn't have to be an off day with this fast acting joint support. It combines turmeric and tamarind seed in one powerful botanic blend. All right, random next one. I feel like maybe I've seen this before, I'm not sure. Body Dynamics is the brand, and it's Slim Vance. Oh, I forgot to mention, so you get to pick from like 4 choices. They sent me an email so I could like kind of customize it. Basically, there was performance men, performance women, and like maybe 1 or 2 other choices. So I picked one like performance women or something that was most for me. I don't know if it says here. Nothing, it doesn't really show me, but that's what I did. It was like the performance woman one or something like that. So we have Slim Vance Core Slimming Complex Thermogenic. Start your shred with Slim Vance Thermogenic. Drop pounds without eliminating all of the food you love with a patented herbal blend that's proven to deliver 6 times more weight loss than diet and exercise alone. So, a fat burner. I don't really take fat burners. I actually don't really take a lot of supplements, period, but because it's just money that I don't need to spend. I'm doing pretty well, I think, without spending money on that. So next we have the GNC brand Women's Ultra Mega Energy and Metabolism. There's thermogenic ingredients, vitamin B to support energy production. It's a multivitamin. Okay, that's cool. I like getting a multivitamin. That I can definitely use. I might use the turmeric one too. The fat burner one, you know. Okay, so those are the only bottles. And then we also got a drink. You can see, obviously this thing got smashed. The can is like trash. But we got a drink from Celsius. And it's a sparkling kiwi guava drink. That sounds yummy. 0 sugar. What else? The whole can is 10 calories. 2 carb. Ooh, it has biotin in it, like that. And niacin, ooh, that gets you going. Sometimes niacin's made me like itchy though. It's probably not that much, so it probably wouldn't. And 0 sodium, I like that. That sounds yummy actually. No sugar, no preservatives. Ooh, that actually excites me. Okay, so we've got this next. It says it's a towel. So maybe like a gym towel. Absorbs and retains moisture such as water and sweat, delivering an instant cooling effect. I don't know. Okay, we've got, ooh, some BCAA powder. Me likey, tangy orange. It's GNC Amp brand. All right. Then we've got some isopeptide protein powder in chocolate. Yum. 30 grams of protein, 160 calories. What else is 30? That's really good. I like those macros. So a little bit of MCT oil. Yeah, in one packet. That's pretty good. I like that. That's good. All right, we have a keto thing. I don't eat keto, so whatever. But it's a meal replacement shake. I mean, which would be really good if I was someone who did keto. I didn't pick a keto box. I think that was an option. I don't know. So here, so it's 90 calories, 8 fat, 1 carb, and 5 protein. So that, just so you know, if you do eat keto, that would be kind of a cool option. It's by Tama Flex, and vanilla caramel is the flavor. Vanilla caramel sounds really yummy. Okay, and then the last item is a 1 bar truffle, do the truffle shuffle, white chocolate truffle. 220 calories for 1 bar, 9 fat, 24 carb, 20 protein. That's pretty good macros. It has about a typical density for a protein bar. I kind of stopped eating protein bars. I just kind of got over their texture and taste and stuff. That's it. That's what came in my GNC Pro box. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also hit that bell right next to there so you'll see every video as it comes in every week. Let me know down below in the comments also if there is anything that you found particularly liking in this box, or if you know about any of these things, because some of them I don't really know much about, so I'll have to learn. All right, until next time, have a great day, guys. Bye. Shadows, they fall.